Welcome to my office.
Hey guys, what's up? Yes, I'm back. Another video of me. I wanted to talk to you guys about something that was really important to me. It's about food. Food is near and dear to my heart, just like I'm sure it is for everybody else. But for me, food is just my life. Like, food, literally, my senior quote was Chipotle is my life. That's how much I love Chipotle at the time. But anyways, I wanted to do something that meant a lot to me on my channel. One of my favorite foods is pho. Pho is a Vietnamese soup. It's like a beef broth based soup, and I love pho. My mouth is watering just thinking about it. That's how greedy I am. That's sad. But anyways, I love pho so much that I wanted to do something featuring it on my channel. And I'm always going to like try different foods, specifically like the best pho restaurants that I can find. So I thought, why not incorporate that into my channel? So I'm going to do like a best pho series, and we're going to be tasting it together, and I'm going to be telling you guys my opinions and thoughts and stuff like that, and just a way that we can like bond over food, and I can just like, you know, eat pho and talk to you guys. So I'm so excited because this is my first episode. Well, technically it's my second, but I lost like all of my memory, like all of my SIM card. I accidentally broke it in my laptop. A whole other story. But yes, I actually did this before and I couldn't upload it and, you know, show you guys because I don't have it. So this is going to be the first episode of the best pho series. I'm so excited. I just got pho from delivery dudes. I didn't feel like going out, which I probably should have because this was ridiculous how much it cost, but whatever. Let's go over to my pho. I'm sorry if the lighting isn't as great. Here it is right here. I just went out and got it. So here's the first thing that I got. Oh, these are the spring rolls. So they're shrimp spring rolls, and they have like a bunch of veggies and stuff. This is what they look like. And then for the pho, we got our broth, and that came in the meat. That came with the meat and the onions and the veggies. And the last thing right here, we got the noodles, the bean sprouts, the hot sauce, the hoisin, and they gave me my extra lime that I asked for. So I'm happy so far. This is the bowl that I'm gonna use. The first thing you do is you put your noodles in. I'm gonna put half of these in just because like my bowl is so small that I don't want, I'm obviously not gonna like eat it all at once because the bowl's not big enough to hold it. So I'm going to put my noodles at the bottom, and I like to separate my noodles. I'm sorry that this angle like obviously isn't good, but I'm going to take the broth and pour it in. I'm going to be careful with this because, yes, mirror. Alright, I did. So with my fork, I'm going to just get some meat. Whoops. And then I got like all the veggies at the bottom. So, and then my favorite part. So they gave me two. This place, you know what? I kind of had to settle for this place because I found a new place that I like, but they're not open on Sundays, so we'll go there next. But alright, so I'm putting the two basils in. The bean sprouts, they give you, put all of them in. They give you a nice crunch. Jalapenos, definitely. But then I'm going to put in a little one of these hoisins. Oh, great. I forgot to, the first thing that you need to do when you're eating pho is try the broth. But I guess I was just too hyped. So this is what my bowl of pho looks like. All of the veggies are in there, all of like the meat and all of that stuff. I'm going to give it a test to taste it. I'm going to taste it, see how I like it now. Good. Not bad. The lime adds like the perfect balance, the acidity from it. I just hate the way they cut they cut their limes, because like I can never get the freaking juice. Let's go get comfortable. I'm actually going to heat up the pho because it's a little not as hot as I want. And then I can give you guys my opinions.
Hey, welcome to my office. Alright, so I heated up my pho. I'm chilling in my bed. It's like a cold Sunday afternoon. I got a water here, and I got some strawberry lemonade that I had. My laptop is right here. I always watch either Netflix or like YouTube when I'm eating, but yeah, and I got my spring rolls, so I'm gonna actually just go ahead and eat. Let's try our pho before it gets cold. It's nice and hot, tastes good. I usually like to it tastes pretty good. The meat is really tender. See? Not show my face. I have the eye round. It's usually like rare before they put it in, and then the broth cooks it because it's so thin. But the best thing about pho is literally you can eat it like any way that you want, and it's good. So here are the spring rolls that I got. This is what they look like. It comes in like a nude wrapping, so it's like kind of like a wonton, but like literally clear. This is rice paper, I think, and you get shrimp. You get like a bunch of like vegetables, basil. The vermicelli noodles are in there too. The rice noodles that are in the pho, and then you get like this peanut dipping sauce. I'm sorry if you can't really see that well. Yeah, great thing it dropped on the pho thing. So anyways, you just dip it like this. I'm so like crazy. I literally eat in my bed all the time, so I don't care. But you dip it like this. This is good because it has cucumber in it. And I've never had it with cucumber. It really tastes fresh. It tastes like a palate cleanser almost. Pho is my favorite food. I remember I was just telling my boyfriend like we were naming like our top 5 foods without a doubt. And winter is my favorite month, and I just love the fact of like feeling so warm inside, eating warm and nice hot foods, just being cozy and it being cold outside, and just that whole feeling of it. Like the holidays are my favorite. I just love it all. And it's so crazy because my birthday's in the summer. I absolutely hate the summer. I don't absolutely hate it, but I really don't like being hot. So pho gives me that feeling of warmth and like just being like cozy. I'll eat pho any year round, like any time of the year, but especially in the winter. Okay, you guys, I'm finished eating. I'm full. I am full. Whew. I finished my pho. Literally demolished those spring rolls. I'm so full. Oh, that was good. That was good. Oh, let me just talk about the pho, how I felt about it, and I guess just my opinion. So, a big thing with pho for me is the broth. And that's just kind of like goes without saying, just because everybody knows that the main component of pho is the broth.
It's supposed to be rich. It's supposed to be flavorful. It's supposed to not have fat in it. So like usually you can see the fat because it'll like float to the top and it'll be like oil at the top. I will say that this pho was good. Overall, I'm going to give it about a 6.5 because of the noodles being overcooked. The main thing was the broth not being bold and flavored. But yeah, overall it was good. Oh, and the onions. I really like the crunchiness of the onions. I don't like my onions to be almost not there. They were like really paper thin, so it was like obviously melting in the broth. I wish that I had a little bit more fresher vibes with the vegetables. 6.5 I'll give it. I'm happy though. I'm chilling. I got the itis, so I'm just like, that's why I'm all quiet. But this was a cool video to do. I hope you guys liked it too. Let me know if you do. Let me know if you have any suggestions. Let me know if you like pho. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.